What's up, y'all? This is Marcus Milano with Rap Rejects, and I got another video on how to do chops or chopping vocals, and I'm gonna also throw in a little bit something else for you. Okay, it's a secret. Okay, it's subtle, but it's a secret. All right, let's go. So, chopping. The first and foremost thing that you need to do whenever you even consider about chopping anything is you have to make sure that you input your beat in there. Then after you do that, you want to make sure that it's the correct beats per minute. Now, I've discussed this in numerous of my tutorials or how to, but I'll reiterate. So track 1 is the song or the beat, and then you're going to go to metering, BPM counter, play the beat, and then you will have your beats per minute, which you change up here. Now, if you haven't set your custom channel, make sure to do the drop down, make sure it's selected custom, and then you'll see the beats per minute and the time. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and get to chopping. This song is by me. And matter of fact, I'm going to mute the beat because I don't know if the beat is actually copyrighted. So I don't want any type of copyrighted hits on this. So let's see.
I'm just trying to go to the Woodlands Mall, spin it all. Go to the Gucci store, nigga, yeah, we finna ball. Fuck some Gucci belts, nigga, I want them overalls.
All right, so we're going to start off with just one chop. You can go crazy with it, and I'm finna show you here in a second, okay? So bear with me. So I usually like to zoom in on, let's see what it says.
I'm just trying.
Those are the best words. Anything that starts with an I. So I'm, those are the best ones. That's usually what I chop. I usually only chop anything that has I involved or I'm involved. You can go with other stuff too, but this one works really well. So, all right, we're zoomed in on it. You see where the wave starts catching it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split, right click, split by playhead, or you could just, select this, go to the scissors tool, cut it, whatever. Now we're going to delete it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press play, and then I'm going to catch it to where it comes in where it doesn't say the full I'm. So, hold on. Let's go back just a little bit. The whole I'm is right there on that wave pattern. So I want to cut it off about right there. So let's right click, split it, playhead. What I like to do, this is my little secret. I like to copy it, right? And then I like to undo split regions. And the reason being is sometimes it manipulates the vocals or messes with the vocals or auto fades the vocals. Now you want to make sure that the track is selected. And then right after that, we're going to, this is what the ruler's for. So we're going to zoom in to where we can see all the different lines on the ruler. Let's put it about right here. So it's going to be a little bit before one of the notches. Now I'm just going to paste it, edit, paste, or Control V. Now you can mess with it however you want to mess with it. I mean, let's see what it looks like right here.
I'm just trying.
See, there's the chop. We can make it go in again.
I'm just trying to go to.
And that's basically how you chop. Especially you can use the beat to do it to use it as a reference. Now you could do multiple, and then you can also make the chop shorter to where it goes in more. But let's do it again. Let's paste it. We're going to use the rulers to where we can mark it a little bit where the other one starts. Just let's see.
I'm just trying to go.
You can change it back this way to where it's more, where there's more of a space in between.
I'm just trying to go.
It's whatever you want to do, honestly, and whatever sounds good to your ear.
I'm just trying to go to the.
All right, so let's see here. This is the main thing, okay? All right, y'all. We're going to go ahead and do that. That's your chops. You can do multiple things as well with the chops. It's however you want to do it. That's simple. Second thing, now this right here will save you so much time. Say for instance, you see how everything is split. There's all the silence areas. They're all cut. You can do it manually if you want. But say you don't want to do it. Just do Control X. And this right here is my gift to y'all. And then you can change the threshold to where it barely cuts out anything, or it cuts out like the max that you want. But it also, I mean, just keep in mind, the more you go up, the more your vocals are going to be taken out. So sweet spot for this, for me, would be roughly around 4-1, depending on what you're trying to do. Mainly 3 or 4, honestly. See where it starts to see. And now all of the silenced areas, a part that has like room noise, it gets canceled out. And that's about it, man. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm not sure if the Control X works right away. I think once you press Control X the first time, it's going to ask you for something, and then you have to accept it or something with the settings. If it gives you some kind of error message or something, just hit me up in the comments and I'll reply back, man. And that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all so much for the support, everything. Y'all keep subscribing to me, man. Y'all keep subscribing to me. Keep subscribing to me. Keep subscribing. All right. Y'all have a blessed one.